Breaking news! Sinong nagsabing hindi kaya ni PBBM maging presidente? Sinong nagsabing malayong-malayo siya sa kanyang ama? At sinong nagsabing hindi effective si PBBM bilang Pangulo ng Bansa? Naku po, makinig kayo dito. Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, viral matapos supalpalin ang lahat ng kanyang kalaban sa kanyang matinding pasabog ngayong araw. Naku po, isa na ata ito sa pinakamalaking proyekto ng PBBM so far. Paano ba naman kasi mga kababayan? Nagpaiyak lang naman si PBBM ng libon-libong Pilipino ngayong araw dahil nga dito sa kanyang inilunsad na proyekto na ngayon lang mangyayari sa buong kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Dapat talagang mapanood ito ng lahat. Kaya naman mga kababayan, huwag na natin itong patagalin pa. Samahan niyo ako at sabay-sabay nating alamin ang mga maiinit na balita sa araw na ito. Breaking news! Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. ngayong araw ang inaugurasyon ng Solvec Small Reservoir Irrigation Project sa Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. Ang proyektong ito ay nakikitang makikinabang ang mahigit kumulang 1,000 farmers sa lugar. Ang Solvec Small Reservoir Irrigation Project Program ay isang medium-scale irrigation development project na nagkakahalaga lang naman ng 940.46 million pesos. Isinalin sa praktikal na termino, ang kapasidad ay nangangahulugan ng masaganang supply ng tubig na kayang patubigan ang mahigit 700 hectares na lupang agrikultural sa 10 barangays ng Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. Nahan ng Pangulong BBM ang seremonyal na pagbubukas ng tarangkahan ng dam. Ang pagbubukas ng gate ay magbibigay daan sa tubig na mai-impound mula sa mga earth-filled dam na dumadaloy sa Siraong Diversion Dam na magre-regulate ng daloy ng tubig sa mga irigasyong kanal patungo sa mga lupang sakahan. Bukod sa pag-iimbak ng tubig para sa irigasyon, 2 ektarya ng reservoir ng dam ang iilan para sa aquaculture. Ang National Irrigation Administration ay nagpaplano din na bumuo ng Solvec Small Reservoir Irrigation Project upang mapaunlakan ang isa pang hydropower plant at mga pasilidad para sa libangan at turismo.
Thank you. Thank you to Secretary Kiko Laurel for his kind introduction. Of course, I would like to greet everybody here who I've not seen in a long time. Number one, by the Governor Mati Manotoc, Vice Governor Cecil, also who has been holding the fort in the meantime. And of course, ang ating forever mayor ng Pindig. Pero ngayon administrator ng NIA, Administrator Eddie Guillen, who has been helping us sa lahat ng aming ginagawa. Dahil alam naman natin na ang pinaka-importante, pinaka-mahalaga kapag ang pinag-uusapan ay agrikultura, lalong-lalo na kung palay at ay patubig. And that is why we have concentrated a lot of our efforts, a lot of our funding dito sa ganitong klaseng mga proyekto. The Pasukin Mayor Aguinaldo, apong mayores, ken Bocales, ken opisyales ng LGU, my fellow workers in government, our team Manalon tayo, gagayan keng kakabsat na imbagngal daw ay ayatek na kaikailan. Naragsakan nga adda itisidong yu ang mangiburay ito daytoy na isang sangayan a okasyon. It is indeed a momentous event for me as we celebrate another triumph in our efforts to elevate the state of agriculture in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm grateful to be with you as we inaugurate the Solvec Small Reservoir Irrigation Project, or the Solvec SRIP. It is a more than 900 million peso project that includes the Solvec Earthfield Dam, which is the first impounding dam to be constructed here in our province. It boasts a capacity of over 1 million cubic meters. If translated into practical terms, that means a generous supply of water that can irrigate more than 700 hectares of agricultural land in 10 barangays here in Pasukin. Ang proyekto pong ito ay makakapagbigay ng patubig sa higit na 1,000 magsasaka sa lugar na ito. Kaya po ang mga magsasaka natin ay makakaasa na magiging mas maganda at marami pa ang kanilang aanihin. Aside from storing water for irrigation, 2 hectares of the dam's reservoir will be dedicated to aquaculture. The NIA is also planning to develop the Sulvec Strip to accommodate a hydropower plant facilities for recreation and tourism. In fact, I was looking around. One of the things that we discovered when we do these things, when we have a dam, when we put a dam and there is a lake, immediately it is a potential tourist spot. And that's something that we can think about. And besides, what we can add to the hydroelectric power and the aquaculture that we are going to get from this earth-filled dam is also the magpalutang tayo ng solar na para meron tayong power para nga kung makapag-develop tayo ng tourist destination dito, meron na tayong pagkukuhanan ng kuryente. The implementation of this may have been long and laborious, but knowing how many communities will benefit and how much impact it will make on their day work, it is impossible not to be excited and happy. So allow me to recognize some of the few people who have worked very hard to make this a reality. First, I would like to acknowledge our engineers, our architects, and construction workers who have relentlessly worked to ensure the integrity of the structure, operation, and maintenance of this program. And perhaps you may think that that your task in building this is just another job to meet the needs of your respective families. I have to tell you, it is much more than that. This project is a testament to Filipino mark of excellence, which has contributed significantly to our efforts in rebuilding our nation and providing a better environment for the next generations. To the officials and staff of NIA, your perseverance has led to the accomplishment of this project. And while we celebrate the realization of this undertaking, the challenge for us moving forward is to keep delivering our promises and for the aspirations of our people. I was just having a quick discussion with Secretary Kiko. Kailangan pa natin daan-daan na ganito. This is what we need, hundreds of this around the country. Kaya please see to it that the operations of the Sulvec Strip will be smooth and dependable so that we can keep our word to our citizens and we can inspire more programs, more projects like this all around the country. And with the leadership and support that this administration is always ready to provide, I enjoin you to spare no effort in the execution of our other plans and projects. So let us exhibit how government works under the banner of Bagong Pilipinas. At bilang panghuli, sa ating mga minamahal na magsasaka, kaagapay ninyo ako at ang buong pamahalaan ng Pilipinas sa pagkamit ng isang masagana at maginhawang bukas. Hindi dito nagtatapos ang ating mga hakbang upang makamit natin ang bagong Pilipinas, ang isang bagong Pilipinas kung saan ang lahat ay may pagkakataon at kakayahan na pagyamanin ang kanilang kaalaman, galing at pamumuhay para sa kanilang sarili, para sa kanilang mga pamilya, at para sa ating minamahal na Pilipinas. Isang bagong Pilipinas kung saan ang pamahalaan at ang mga sangay nito ay kumikilos ng mabilis, mabisa at puno ng pagmamahal sa kapwa at sa bansa. Kaya patuloy po tayong magkaisa para sa ating mga mithiin at para sa ating minamahal na inang bayan. So once again, I extend my warmest gratitude to all the minds, hands, and hearts that turned this dream into reality. I am sure that like me, you also hold great optimism and hope for the coming days and years, both for the development of the agricultural sector here in Ilocos Norte and the progress of the entire nation. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas, Diyos Tiyagnina, na imbag nga daw kada kayami.